Welcome to this presentation on how to write the Level 5 CIPD 5HR01 assessment. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write all 10 ACs in this video. Kindly subscribe us if you need more such important tips and information. 2. Employee involvement is about giving employees a voice in decisions affecting their work, often informal and consultative. Participation is more formal, involving structured mechanisms like joint consultation committees or work councils. Involvement often focuses on day-to-day decision-making, while participation allows employees to influence strategic direction. Both approaches strengthen trust, promote transparency, and enhance morale. For instance, suggestion schemes and staff forums are practical tools that build positive relationships. Emphasizing open communication and respecting employee inputs builds loyalty and commitment, especially crucial during mergers where trust may be fragile. Use academic sources such as Marchington and Wilkinson to underpin your explanation. Need help in this assignment or any expert guidance? Visit our website or chat us on WhatsApp number given in comment sections. Union representation involves recognized trade unions advocating for collective interests through formal channels like bargaining. Non-union representation includes elected staff councils or representative groups without union affiliation. Unionized settings often have stronger negotiation power, while non-union settings may offer faster, informal engagement. For public sector organizations undergoing change, it's important to understand how both forms can coexist or conflict. Compare examples like NHS union partnerships versus private company staff councils. Academic frameworks by Jennard and Judge can guide your analysis. Make sure to highlight how both support harmony and reduce disputes by ensuring the employee voice is heard. Employee voice refers to opportunities for staff to express opinions and influence decisions. Research links strong employee voice to better performance, lower turnover, and higher engagement. For instance, CIPD and AKS studies show that open feedback mechanisms reduce absenteeism and boost morale. Post-merger, enabling employee voice helps retain institutional knowledge and builds a unified culture. Case studies from the civil service demonstrate success using surveys, forums, and whistleblowing channels. Use Armstrong's HRM theory to support your arguments. Demonstrating a positive relationship between voice and performance is key to helping private sector leaders appreciate its value in the public domain. Better working lives involve enhancing employee well-being through supportive, inclusive, and balanced work environments. Design elements include flexible hours, mental health support, career development, and autonomy. In a merger context, focusing on better working lives reduces stress and builds resilience. The CIPD's Good Work Index and Maslow's hierarchy of needs offer theoretical support. Public sector employers can use job redesign, well-being programs, and hybrid work models to improve satisfaction. Highlight case examples where better working life initiatives led to reduced grievances and improved collaboration. Emphasize the importance of co-creating these strategies with employees to ensure uptake and sustainability. Organizational conflict is disagreement over work-related issues, while misbehavior involves deliberate rule-breaking or resistance. Conflict can arise from poor communication, unclear roles, or workload imbalance. Misbehavior includes absenteeism, insubordination, or misuse of resources. Both impact team cohesion and performance. During a merger, role ambiguity and leadership changes can spark both. Use theories like Dunlop's industrial relations system or Goffman's resistance at work. Practical approaches include conflict resolution training, clear codes of conduct, and open communication channels. Recognizing the difference helps managers address root causes effectively and avoid escalation. Stress the legal and procedural importance in public sector management. Recent trends include conflict arising from hybrid work, digital overload, and increased diversity. Sanctions have evolved too. Social media campaigns, online petitions, and virtual strikes are modern tools. These impact employer reputation and morale if not managed proactively. In the post-merger public sector, Leaders unfamiliar with union norms may inadvertently escalate tensions. Case examples include university staff striking over online workload terms. Managers should adopt proactive engagement, regular consultation, and transparent communication. Literature from TUC and AKS can support this analysis. Highlight how understanding modern employee activism helps leaders maintain harmony and reduce reputational risk in a politically sensitive environment. Conciliation involves a third party helping both sides reach an agreement, often facilitated by ACAS. Mediation is voluntary and informal, focusing on mutual understanding, ideal for interpersonal disputes. Arbitration is formal, where a third party makes a binding decision. Conciliation suits collective disputes. Mediation suits team tensions. Arbitration fits unresolved policy breaches. Each method has pros and cons. Mediation is quicker. Arbitration is final but rigid. In the public sector, ACAS guidance and union involvement are crucial. Use examples from local councils and health services. This knowledge equips private sector hires with tools to manage disputes lawfully and effectively. Unfair dismissal occurs when an employee is terminated without a valid reason or fair process. Capability refers to underperformance or illness. Misconduct includes breaches of conduct like lateness or dishonesty. Laws like the Employment Rights Act 1996 guide fair dismissal. Employers must follow due process, investigate, consult, offer training, support, and give warnings. Misconduct can be minor or gross. Gross can lead to summary dismissal. Fair treatment involves consistent policies, documentation, and appeals. Use ACAS Code of Practice and tribunal case studies to illustrate. Emphasize importance in post-merger scenario to prevent legal risk and protect morale during organizational transitions. Grievances arise from perceived injustices like bullying, unfair pay, poor communication, or unsafe conditions. Individual grievances affect one person. Collective ones involve a group. Poorly handled grievances lead to low morale, high turnover, and reputational damage. Post-merger, unclear roles or inconsistent policies are likely triggers. Use case examples from NHS or civil service to illustrate. Frameworks like the psychological contract and equity theory can deepen your analysis. Understanding root causes helps HR preempt issues through feedback systems and fair processes. For assessment, ensure a structured explanation with examples and link to employee well-being and organizational performance. Poor grievance handling can lead to legal liabilities and emotional distress, damaging workplace morale. Effective procedures, like clear communication channels and timely resolutions, are crucial. In the public sector, transparent grievance handling is vital to maintain trust and accountability. Addressing grievances promptly ensures a healthy work environment and mitigates potential risks.